So guys, it's really simple. Let's add a background. Go to left side, right click, new item, color matte, then press on OK. Select the color you want, then press on OK again, then give it a name like BG for background, then press on OK. Left click, hold, drag and drop over the timeline. Now from tools, left click, hold over the pen tool, then select the ellipse tool, left click, hold, drag to draw the circle, press on shift to maintain the size or the shape. After you are done, move to right side, essential graphics. If it's not here, go to window, then check essential graphics from here. Now center the shape, disable the fill, enable the stroke, increase the stroke size, change the color. Let's change it to 50. Let's go to left side, effect control, or from here, effect control, select the shape, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select the upper shape, go to right side, let's change the color, press on OK, then decrease the stroke. So we are done with our circle. Then go to left side, select effect from here or click on this arrow, then from here select the effect, then at the search box search for cloak. Left click, hold, apply it over our clip. Let's see what we have. Suppose we want the circle to be animated for 2 seconds. So for that, move the playhead to 2 seconds. Grab the end of the clock wipe, then left click and drag. Now the circle will animate for 2 seconds. After we are done with our animation, cut it. Now you need to remember this. If we try to move our circle, let's reposition it. See, it's not working. Suppose we want to use it at the corner of our video. So how can we do it? It's really simple. Select the clip, right click, next give it a name like animated circle, then press on OK. Now we can select our clip and move it wherever we want. Now we can just hold Alt, left click, drag and duplicate and repeat the animation like the countdown. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.